Hey everybody, we're out here at Cisco Live in Amsterdam, and I've been talking to Amit. We've been talking about how do you build a modern Splunk practice. Can you give us some details on that?
Yeah, Jason, thanks for having me. First off, no, building a modern Splunk practice, and there are a couple of elements involved in it, and specifically around digital resilience and the one Cisco story. A lot of partners have been long time Cisco partners, or on the other hand, you have a lot of Splunk partners who've been using our solution stack for a pretty long time. Building the practice around digital resilience is bringing those two complementary technologies together from Cisco's networking, observability, endpoint, and security with Splunk's leading data security and observability platform. Building it together, there's come a couple of challenges we hear from partners is how do I get started? We need help kind of establishing a practice, building a center of excellence with the right skill set. How do I up-level the resources? And how do I get help around defining a go-to-market, building solution offers that my customers are expecting, right? So the way we do that, we approach it with a three-pillar process, right? I gotta have a common framework to build offerings, right? It starts with having a process established. The center of excellence at your technical organization is the heartbeat of your practice, and they set the governance standards on how to build offers, what offers we should build. Is there a market for it? So having a good, strong process in place is the first step. Second step is up-leveling your resources, the people, right? So establishing the right technology skill set within your center of excellence, Splunk architects, cross solution architects who have worked on different technologies, Cisco architects. Those are the right folks to help build the solutions. Now, the most important piece is like your sales teams, your consulting teams, because they are the front line. They know from firsthand knowledge what are the challenges their customers are experiencing. So getting their influence and feedback and support when you build an offer between Splunk and Cisco is really important. Then the last thing is business value. You gotta understand the market dynamics properly. You gotta understand what are the solutions that really provide real resolution to your customers. At Splunk, we have three main disciplines: Splunk Platform, Splunk Security, Splunk Observability. Depending on your customer base and the challenges they experience, you can use the Splunk solution stack integrated with like Thousand Eyes for network observability, with the Cisco Security portfolio for like intelligence-led SOC, and then data strategy with Platform and Cisco Data Fabric framework. So there are a lot of options there, but in a nutshell, hopefully that gives a good perspective of what it takes to build a Splunk practice or a modern Splunk practice.
So you gave us a lot of information just
Yes.
now on how to do all this and what it means.
Yeah.
Now, if I am wanting to build a modern Splunk
Yeah.
practice and get all of this information and learn some more myself, where can I go find this?
So the first thing I would say is talk to your partner development manager or partner SC in region, right? They know where the right learning paths, where the resources are, whether it's on Splunk Partnerverse or it's on Cisco Black Belt. Start there. And then you can visit Cisco Black Belt or Sales Connect. They have a lot of information on digital resistance. We're gearing up in the next couple of weeks to launch a new how to build your practice on Black Belt. Some content around MSP and MSSP, and partner learning journeys is on our roadmap to develop for Splunk. So those assets will be released soon. So be on the lookout. A lot of good stuff coming to help activate your teams.
That's awesome. So thanks for giving us the lowdown, man.
Thanks, Jason. Anytime. My pleasure.